Focus. This seems to be another concern that is now coming as a bomb threat to Delhi schools that have been reported today morning as well. At least 4 schools in Delhi have received bomb threat, according to the Delhi police and fire officials who are said to be on the spot. And reports suggest that nothing suspicious has been found yet. Priyank, another day that we are looking at prominent Delhi schools receiving bomb threats.
Good morning, Amita. And once again, many prominent schools like British schools, Salvan, Modern, and many of the schools have received the email. But what is very interesting in this particular thread mail, that the meeting between parents and teachers has also been mentioned. The thread mail is also talking about that how there will be school extracurricular activities like sports day, which will happen on 13 and 14, and there should be proper check of the bags of the student. So multiple things being mentioned in this email is certainly pointing towards that there could be a possibility that few of known people to the schools could be behind these kind of threat mails. But since the IP addresses have been generating from VoIP, it is taking some time for the Delhi police to also get into the details of the sender. But there is an advisory which has been also issued by the Delhi police officials not to close or shut down the school just after receiving the threat mail. Yes, the security protocol should be followed, for which the BDS team and other police officials will be visiting the school. The fire department official will also be visiting the school. But Mary, by getting an email, the school should not be closed is certainly something on which the agencies have been working on. That's why the modern school, Barakhamba, last time did not, shut down its operation or
So Priyank, more information that is now coming in. We want you to give us details on the same as far as when it comes to this email that has now been received on part of the schools there, where this bomb threat has been given. And there are certain details of the threat mail that we can talk about it as well. Priyank, if you have the details with you, because the email has been claiming that there have been explosives that were planted in the school. However, what we are learning that nothing suspicious till now has been found.
Yes, Amita. This email is talking about that there could be many explosions in the school, and it has been originating from a dark web group which is involved in the activity of many red rooms also. The email is also talking about that the bombs are powerful enough to destroy the building and harm the school. And they are also talking about that since there would be parents-teachers meeting and they are school activities which is going on. Collectively, the school is also not checking the school bags of the students, and there could be huge crowd which can be subject to this attack. On 13th of December 2024 and 14th of December 2004, these both days can be, there could be a school explosion. So it's not only talking about one day, it's talking about 2 days. And on 14th of December, there is a scheduled parents-teachers meeting. And some other schools have also mentioned that there need to be a good chance that there are over advantages of bomb explosions and detonators.
Right.
These are mentioning these points from the email.
But none of these threats can be taken lightly as far as when it comes to this seems to be another day when it comes to prominent schools across the national capital. Appropriate steps and SOPs that have been followed. Now what we are told that this threat that was received via email late last night, and in the morning action that has been initiated on part of the police and the other forces as well. Thank you very much for the moment, Priyank, for joining in. Let's in the